I have the hiccups right now, and Halle thinks it's the funniest thing to impersonate me as I'm going through this trauma. Don't you?
Where's your hiccups, Daddy?
Oh no. They became camera shy, I guess. What you got there, colors?
She's also trying out bath crowns for the first time.
Daddy doesn't have a hiccup right now. That is not very polite, Halle. Making fun of your dad like that. What are you...
Look at my foot. My artwork.
Oh, Halle, you drew on Mom's foot. You did, didn't you? Oh, you missed it that time. Do one more before we say it. So insensitive, Halle. Halle, can you look at the camera? Oh, a little hiccup girl. You're so silly.
And she wears bows now in her hair.